Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the alarm lock S5252 bolt cover latch assembly. And this is a assembly that includes a bill of materials, which we'll discuss in a moment. And this is definitely an assembly that's going to contain a mess of parts. That's what it looks like, your latch assembly. Got a client who's ordered a couple of pieces. Very likely vandalism is why they're replacing this part and the other item. A forced entry, I believe, is what it must have been. So there is a link below this video, and this is for the 700 series, by the way. There's a link below this video to a document called part number 250, 250 WP, so on and so forth, installation instructions and parts manual. Well, it's the installation instructions, but then the parts manual are quite close to the rear section of the catalog, the last couple of pages. So what I would suggest that you do is do a find function on your keyboard for the S5252, and then you'll get to where you can see all of the instances of where that occurs. For instance, part number 11, P1168, is part of the S5252, and the 11 is literally, as I search for it in the exploded parts drawing, it should be easy to find. It's the latch assembly. Sure, it's going to be right in the center. Have you found it yet? Part number 11. Okay, it is clouded. It's a circled part number up top. It's obviously the springs that are there. And as you continue to go through, okay, the other searches of S5252, you'll find those other instances. Part 31, which is a P1930. Part 32, which is a P1931. Part 33, which is a P1932. And part 34, P1933. Part 44, P1145, P1149, P1150, P5054, P5121. So all of those individual parts have an associated one or two digit number that you can then go back to the drawing and review that information. So in an instance where you are looking for a part and you can see that it's in parentheses, part of, that would be the top level assembly, and that's pretty certainly what they're going to make us order. So when you see it as part of an assembly, order the assembly and not just the component part. Again, because I believe they're going to say to us that we need to buy the entire assembly because this is not available in its constituent bill of materials. Okay, and this video is really to serve as visual evidence of the item. Throw around a couple of basic dimensions. Overall height of the unit, about 4 5/8. An overall width of about 4 3/16. And overall projection is going to be probably right at about 2.5 inches or so. Okay, got your latch assembly, your dead latch assembly floating back here. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the alarm lock products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If there are any questions on the alarm lock S5252 bolt cover latch assembly or any other alarm lock product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much.